When I said people have talent, people really have a great talent. All this talent is not going to waste. Welcome to another new creativity, that is wood stove with red brick. Guys, please let us watch this video together. Do not forget to like and share, leave your opinion, and follow us for more videos. Abigail Freddy, I love you.
Nowhere to go, and there's nowhere to run. But I no go mind, I go put my grind on my mind. I no go fear, I go try make I dey my lane. No. Cause my brother say, water, no get enemy. So I no one get the enemy. And I go flow like the river. Hey. It doesn't matter what you're feeling. It doesn't matter what my brother see. We no say this life hard, my brother no go give up. Cause very soon, it's gonna be alright, it's gonna be alright. I just want Jaya Orimi. It's gonna be alright. I just want Jaya Orimi. I just want to dream.